Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video. 5 easy ways to lose weight naturally. 1. Add protein to your diet. When it comes to weight loss, protein is the king of nutrients. Your body burns calories when digesting and metabolizing the protein you eat, so a high-protein diet can boost metabolism by up to 80 to 100 calories per day. A high-protein diet can also make you feel more full and reduce your appetite. In fact, some studies showed that people eat over 400 fewer calories per day on a high-protein diet. Even something as simple as eating a high-protein breakfast, like eggs, can have a powerful effect. 2. Eat whole, single-ingredient foods. One of the best things you can do to become healthier is to base your diet on whole, single-ingredient foods. By doing this, you eliminate the vast majority of added sugar, added fat and processed food. Most whole foods are naturally very filling, making it a lot easier to keep within healthy calorie limits. Furthermore, eating whole foods also provides your body with the many essential nutrients that it needs to function properly. 3. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are usually high in added sugars, added fats and calories. What's more, processed foods are engineered to make you eat as much as possible. They are much more likely to cause addictive-like eating than unprocessed foods. 4. Stock up on healthy foods and snacks. Studies have shown that the food you keep at home greatly affects weight and eating behavior. By always having healthy food available, you reduce the chances of you or other family members eating unhealthy. There are also many healthy and natural snacks that are easy to prepare and take with you on the go. These include yogurt, whole fruit, nuts, carrots and hard-boiled eggs. 5. Limit your intake of added sugar. Eating a lot of added sugar is linked with some of the world's leading diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes and cancer. On average, Americans eat about 15 teaspoons of added sugar each day. This amount is usually hidden in various processed foods, so you may be consuming a lot of sugar without even realizing it. 15. Since sugar goes by many names in ingredient lists, it can be very difficult to figure out how much sugar a product actually contains. Minimizing your intake of added sugar is a great way to improve your diet. If you enjoy this video, so like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.